What's up, guys? My name is Khoo. I'm here at Drumeo, and today I have 3 tips on how to be in a cover band. Tip number 1, do your homework. Now, if you're covering something like, for example, Toto's Rosanna, the late, great Jeff Porcaro, you would not want to be caught playing something that doesn't represent the slightest bit of what he does. Okay, for example, this is what a drummer who doesn't do his homework would do. As opposed to what it should roughly sound like. I have seen and heard many drummers who cover a song and they don't really do justice to the song that they're covering. And it's really disheartening to hear that, because some other drummer who may have practiced like months to get that groove down may not have that job. So if you have that gigging job, please do justice to yourself and to the music by learning the drummer and the music that you're covering. Okay, tip number 2, ego aside, as much as you do not like the song that you're covering, someone else in the audience may love the song that you're covering. For example, I have played Sweet Child of Mine 10,000 over times, okay? But I do not want to be caught dead playing the song this way. I will play the song as though it's my first time playing that song. And sometimes, maybe what I would do, since I played the song 10,000 over times, what I will do is I'll incorporate my practice while playing that song. I will put my left leg on the left pedal, right? And play the chorus. That way, I will never be bored playing that song because I am improving myself whilst playing that song. So, yep, that's the second tip. Okay, tip number 3, charting the song. Learn to chart the song quickly. If you can't read the music yet, at least learn how to chart the song in your own language or in your own way. For example, if the song has this beat, I would write, The Beatles, I Want to Hold Your Hand. So that's what I would do. Rather than write out the drum notes, I would write, I Want to Hold Your Hand, The Beatles. That's to trigger some sort of a memory in you, to make things so much easier and so much transitional when you move from song to song. You see that word, I Want to Hold Your Hand, be the Beatles, you know what it is, right? And with regards to writing structure, okay, I would listen to the song one time, write out the bars. Now, the bars can be as simple, this is what I would do. The bars, I would draw shapes, squares, circles, whatever, and then use one shape as a bar, maybe for the verse, square, the chorus, triangle or circle. Do your own thing. Maybe draw a line on half a square just to signify half a bar, and the rest of the bar you do something else. Write out the simple fills within the shape itself. find your own way, okay? If you can't read music yet, find your own way. Find those little things that you can, that makes things so much easier for you. If you can't read music yet, at least learn to read drum charts with time. Okay, it's not that difficult. It's like a language. Now that fill-in can only look one way rhythmically. Now if you can associate that sound to what it will look on paper, remember that. And every day, remember different fill-ins and how it looks like on paper. Remember how different groove looks like on paper. This only looks one way on a drum chart. It can never look any other way. So if you can memorize that, you're good to go. Every day, learn something new. Learn how to write out a drum fill. Learn how to write out a drum groove. Improve yourself. It'll make things so much easier for you, right? Okay, so that's the third and last tip on how to be a gigging cover musician.